ഹായ്, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ചാപ്റ്റർ നമ്പർ 9 പ്ലാനാർ ഗ്രാഫ്സ്. ചാപ്റ്റർ നമ്പർ 9 ആണ് പ്ലാനാർ ഗ്രാഫ്സ്. പ്ലാനാറിന് നമ്മൾ എംബഡബിൾ എന്നും പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. എന്താണ് പ്ലാനാർ ഗ്രാഫ് നോക്കുക. എ ഗ്രാഫ് ജി ഈസ് സെഡ് ടു ബി പ്ലാനാർ ഗ്രാഫ് സച്ച് ദാറ്റ് ഇറ്റ് ക്യാൻ ബി ഡ്രോൺ ഇൻ എ പ്ലെയിൻ വിത്തൗട്ട് എനി എഡ്ജസ് ക്രോസിംഗ്. അതാണ് അവിടെ കണ്ടീഷൻ നോക്കുക, വിത്തൗട്ട് എനി എഡ്ജസ് ക്രോസിങ്. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ പറയും ഇറ്റ്സ് എഡ്ജസ് ഇൻ്റർസെക്റ്റ് ഓൺലി അറ്റ് ദെയർ എൻഡ്സ്. ഇറ്റ് എഡ്ജസ് ഇൻ്റർസെക്റ്റ് ഓൺലി അറ്റ് ദെയർ എൻഡ്സ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കാൾഡ് പ്ലാനാർ ഗ്രാഫ്. അതർവൈസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് കാൾഡ് നോൺ പ്ലാനാർ ഗ്രാഫ്. നോൺ പ്ലാനാർ ഗ്രാഫ്. So here see these two pictures. Picture number 1. See here, this is a K4 graph. K4. In this graph, in this first graph, here A to B is connected, B to C, A to D, D to C, A to C, D to B. All vertices are connected. But one thing here, AC and BD, the two edges AC and BD, AC and BD are the two edges here crossing in this point. Crossing we say some point C, crossing this point. Therefore this graph is non-planar graph. This graph is non-planar graph. At the same time, see the second picture. Here AB, BC, AD and AC. We see the AC here is passing through outside AC. This graph is planar because no edges are crossing. No edges are crossing. This is called planar graph and non-planar graph. Okay. Next theorem, K5 is K5 in non-planar. This is the K5 is non-planar. Theorem number 9.1. K5 is non-planar. Here K5 is non-planar. What is K5? K5 means the complete graph with 5 vertices. With 5 vertices, because all vertices are connected. See, each vertex, choose vertex number A. A is connected to B, C, D, E. B is connected to A, C, D, E, and same. All vertices are connected to another vertices, or all vertices has a path or an edge. That is called complete. Complete means all vertices are connected. Here our theorem says that K5 is non-planar. K5, see K5, this is the K5 graph. K5 graph is non. The theorem says that if we draw any type, then the vertices are intersect. The vertices or the edges are intersect anywhere. Therefore K5 is non-planar. Okay. Here K5 is draw another type or another manner. See, A is connected to B, C, D, E. Okay. B is connected to A, C, E and here see, if any edges, here we can draw any edges without crossing or without cutting. We can draw, if we draw A to D, then C to E is cutting is here. Also B to D, is cutting here. Therefore K5 is non-planar. Here we want to know Jordan curve. You know that Jordan curve already discussed in previous classes. It is continuous non-self intersecting curve whose origin and terminus coincide. This is one of the example. Jordan curve. Jordan curve, you know that the shape of amoeba. Amoeba is just a Jordan curve. This is like Jordan. Next, our theorem and proof. The theorem says that K5 is non-planar. K5 is non-planar. We choose by contradictory method. Proof by contradiction. If possible, G be a plane graph. G be a plane graph. Then K5 have vertices V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Since we know that K5 is complete graph, K5, that means G is complete and any two of its vertices are disjoint by edge. Any two of its vertices, if we draw K5, then any two of its vertices are disjoint by edge, then it is planar. We take a contradiction, therefore K5 is planar, then its edges are disjoint. Okay. Now we take the cycle C equal to V1, V2, V3, V1. See the picture, V1, V2, V3, V1. This is the cycle V1 to V2, V1 to V1, V2, V3, V1 to V2, V2 to V3, V3 to V1. This is one cycle, and V4 is either interior C or exterior C. Okay, we can choose V1 C equal to V1, V2, V3, V1 is a Jordan curve. Choose V4. It is either inside or outside. Inside means interior C or outside means exterior C. Suppose V4 in the C, V4 interior in C, then the edges V4 V1, V4 V2, V4 V3 divide in interior C. Okay, see the picture, V1 V4, V2 V4, V3 V4. This is the V4. Okay, then which divide, or V4 is either edges V4 V1, V4 V2, V4 V3 divides into interior C into the three regions, that is interior C1, interior C2 and into C3. Here see the picture, it is clear that V4 divide the graph into three regions. Okay, now V5 must lie in one of from the regions. We have another vertices V5 because our graph is K5. Okay, then V5 must be lie in one of from the regions, either in the C1, in the C2 or in the C3. Okay, then V5 must lie in one of the four edges. If V5 belongs to exterior C, then curve meet C in the same point. Okay, here V5 belongs to exterior. If we choose V5 is exterior point, then if we draw edges, then the curve meet C in some point. Because we choose that K5 is planar. Contradictory, K5 is planar, but here we given that K5 is non-planar. which is a contradiction. Therefore K5 is non-planar. Okay, this is the theorem, one of the important theorem. Okay, thank you.